clock stopped ticking forever ago. How long have I been up? I don't know. I can't get a grip that I can't let go. There isn't anything to hold on to though. Can't I see? Can't I see the colors that you see? Can I be? Can I be colorful and free? What the hell's going on? Can someone tell me please? Why I'm switching president of channels on TV? I'm black, then I'm white. No, something isn't right. My enemy's invisible. I don't know how to fight. That's all they believe. Fear is running a counting. When I'm up against the echoes, the mirror.
Any fear because my words are like a grayscale. Too big like disguise me, but nobody told me there's darkness in the free. Do or more hero. What the hell are you drawing wrong? It's zero. It's the freedom you wanna know, but then but you don't be on. Yeah, jet black my iPhone 6 face Siri. Tell me how to get here. I'm saying, let me give it to my crown, just in the way I feel on mirror. Might be the first sure what is true and you're crying, still calling out of day. I wanna say, pick a warning sign to you. I'm too broke inside, go away. I don't care what the hell's going on here. You know my shoes, clothes and flowers, color code. We've not this nothing far. Fake color breaking over, we'll never stop taking again. Don't need to stop on the brakes, cause I'm a craze. Nobody can stop on my rage. Hey, whenever my enemies bash me, my face is never very head and say, oh misery things that are first are screaming inside of my heart, babe. Shell, if we can forget her every day passing me over. The future's gotta be strength to stop the matter.
Gonna burn my house down to an ugly black. I'm gonna run away now and never look back. I'm gonna burn my house down to an ugly black. I'm gonna run away now and never look back. I'm gonna burn my house down to an ugly black. I'm gonna run away now and never look back. I'm gonna burn my house down to an ugly black. I'm gonna run away now and never look back. I'm gonna burn my house down and never look back. And never look back. And never look back. What the hell's going on? Can someone tell me please? Why I'm switching president channels on TV?